Hi everyone, welcome to Bob's Computer Service channel, Wednesday Windows Tips. Today I will show you how to change your display resolution in just a few simple steps. Whether you're adjusting for clarity or fixing an issue, this guide has got you covered. Let's dive in. First we're going to go down to the Start menu down at the bottom here and click it. And then we're going to go to Settings, which is this gear icon right here. Alternatively, you can press the Windows I key at the same time to open up this menu instantly. Once you're in the settings, click on System. This is where the display and sound settings are managed. Display is right here at the top. Scroll down a little bit until you see the display resolution settings and this little drop down. I have already changed it before this to not my recommended amount, so we can do it right now. And once you've selected it, it's going to make those changes automatically. After the change, you'll see a message asking for you to confirm the resolution. If it looks good, keep the changes. If not, we're going to wait the 15 seconds and it'll automatically revert to the previous resolution. So if there's any problems, you don't have to be able to see anything. It will do it on its own. And that's it. You're successfully changed your display resolution. I hope this tutorial was helpful. In the comments below, let me know if you have any questions or need any help with other tech issues. Don't forget to like and subscribe for quicker tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.